Everyone knows that learning English is essential for our career. Everyone knows that we are a developing nation. Everyone knows that global temperature is increasing day by day. Everyone knows, everyone knows, everyone knows. What else everyone knows? I think everyone knows everything. What do you think? Dear viewers, welcome to Bornil Academy once again. I'm Hasan Mahamud with you. And you know, everyone knows. জি, everyone knows এই এক্সপ্রেশনটি আমরা অনেক ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহার করে থাকি। আজকে আমরা দেখব এই এক্সপ্রেশনটির পরিবর্তে আর কি ব্যবহার করা যায়। I think you are ready. Let's get started. Instead of everyone knows, we can use its common knowledge. Like everyone knows that learning English is essential for our career. We can say it's common knowledge that learning English is essential for our career. Everyone knows that we are a developing nation. It's common knowledge that we are a developing nation. শুধুমাত্র কি কমন নলেজ নাকি অন্য কিছু আছে? হ্যাঁ, এছাড়া আমরা বলতে পারছি it's a well known fact that like it's a well known fact that learning English is essential for our career. অথবা এটাও বলতে পারি আমরা it's commonly known that অথবা it's widely known. Like it's commonly known that learning English is essential for our career, or it's widely known that learning English is essential for our career. So instead of everyone knows, we can use it's common knowledge, we can use it's a well known fact, we can use it's commonly known, or we can use it's widely known. Okay, now এছাড়া আমরা বলতে পারি we recognize that, we realize that, অথবা বলতে পারি it's no secret that. So we can use different expressions instead of everyone knows. So everyone, let's start using different expressions at different times to bring a variety and to be impressive. That's all for today. See you again with another video lesson. আর আমাদের কাছে অনেকে অনলাইন কোর্স সম্পর্কে জানতে চান। আমরা এখন যে অনলাইন কোর্সগুলো অফার করছি সেগুলো হচ্ছে অনলাইন কোর্স on spoken English, grammar and writing, IELTS preparation, English pronunciation, and Kids English. If you want to join any of the courses, please contact us. Thanks indeed for your cooperation and patience. See you again. Assalamu alaikum.